Hi guys, very good evening to everyone. Let's discuss the confusion matrix. Okay, so the confusion matrix, it is very important. I want to check the model performance of the classification algorithm. Then I'll go for a confusion matrix. From that confusion matrix, I will write the formula of precision, recall, F1 score, and the accuracy. I hope you clear. Okay, so what I want to check, let me open the notepad, then it will be very easy for you and for me as well. Okay, so let me open a notepad, guys. Just a minute. So here, what I want to check the model performance. I want to check what? I want to check the model performance. Then I will go for confusion matrix. I'll go for a confusion matrix. From that confusion matrix, we can write the formula of precision, recall, F1 score, and accuracy. And what? And the accuracy. I want to check the model performance. Which type of model? Classification model, not regression. Not regression, guys. I want to check the classification. I want to check the classification model performance. Then I'll go for a confusion matrix. And from that confusion matrix, we can easily write the formula of precision, recall, F1 score, and the accuracy. Now, step by step, we'll discuss what is that. Let me open the confusion matrix. Okay, don't confuse with the confusion matrix. So first of all, the thing is that actually true and predicted also true. What is the scenario? You are surviving pneumonia. That is actually true. And your report is like positive. That means it is predicting also true. So this is the part of what? True positive. This is the part of true positive. Actually true and it is predicting also true. Actually 1 predicting 1. That is the true positive scenario. I don't think that you have any doubt about the true positive. Now focus about the true negative. The true negative is what? The actually false and it is predicting also false. It is actually false and it is predicting also what, guys? False. You are not surviving pneumonia and your report is like negative. Okay. You want to predict 0 and the actual result is also 0. Okay. Both are what? Both are false. Actual also 0, prediction also 0. It will be part of true negative. You are not surviving pneumonia, your test report is negative. Okay, that is the part of true positive and the true negative. You understood the true positive and true negative. Actual true, prediction true, true positive. Actual false and the prediction also false. That is the true negative. I hope you understood the part of true positive and the true negative. There is no any kind of confusion. Now, focus on the false positive. What is the false positive? Actually false. Okay, actually what? It is false. But predicting true. Actually false, predicting true. One example I am trying to give you guys. Consider one scenario. You are not working in a Google. Okay. You are not part of the Google. Okay. Means actually false. The case is actually false. But what happened? You have successfully entered the Google office. How? Somewhat the security system was not working that time and you successfully entered in the Google office. So actually the thing is what? Negative. Actually the thing is what? False. But the prediction is true. You are not part of Google. You are not part of Meta. You are not part of Microsoft. You are not part of anything, any office. But the somewhat that day the security system was not working properly and you have successfully entered in a office. Okay. So actually false, but it is predicting what? True. The security system, what it is considering? It is considering you are part of this particular office. Okay, but you are not part of that particular office. Okay, so actually thing is what? False. Actually thing is what? False. But the prediction is true. Okay, here if you consider about this particular example, actually thing is 0. But the prediction is what? 1. So this is the part of what? False positive. I think you are clear. Okay. Try to remember always with the example. Okay. Now, there is the false negative. What is that false negative? The false negative means actually this is true. Actually, this is true. But predicting is false. You are really surviving the pneumonia, but the test report is negative. It is very dangerous, right? Consider about the cancer. You are surviving cancer. Okay. But the bone marrow report is like negative. Then the patient will be die. Okay, the patient will die in this particular scenario. Actually is what? True. But the report is what? Negative. Okay, actually the case is positive, but the report is unfortunately negative. The patient will die. Okay. Actually positive, but it's predicting what? Negative. So what will happen? The patient will die. So always try to remember with the example. It will be very good for you. Now, how I will calculate the precision recall F1 and accuracy. First focus about the accuracy. First focus about the accuracy. Guys, you have two scenarios. The true positive, true negative. Two scenarios, fine, right? Actually positive, the thing is actually positive and prediction also like positive. No problem. True positive. Actually negative and predicting also what? The negative. So there is also no problem. This is the true negative. So we have to consider first which part? True positive and the true negative. Here, if you write true positive plus what? The true negative. After that, divided by, we have to consider what? All of value. That means true positive plus false negative plus true negative. Let me write true positive plus false positive plus true negative plus false negative. Got it, guys? So this is the part of, this is the formula of accuracy. Okay. So about the true positive, true negative, there is no problem. We have to consider first these two. After that, this is the summation of all. Okay. Now, guys, this is the precision. This is what? The precision. If you are talking about the precision, what will be the formula? When our false positive is playing a crucial role. Which type of scenario? Consider this type of scenario. Actually false, the prediction is true. Okay. So this type of scenario, the false positive is playing a very crucial role. Then we'll go for a precision. Then what will be the formula, guys? The formula is like true positive by true positive plus false positive. Okay. I hope you got it. When the false positive is playing a very crucial role, that time we have to go for a precision. Okay. Now there is the recall. What is the formula of recall, guys? The formula of recall is like true positive by true positive plus false negative. So this is the formula of recall. So in that recall, the Fn means the false negative will play a very crucial role. Consider the example. Actually true, but prediction is the false. The medical ground. Consider any kind of medical ground, okay? Where the thing is actually true, but the report is negative. Oh, so it is very dangerous actually. Now, when the Fn, that means the false negative, is playing a very crucial role, then we'll go for a what? The recall. When the false positive is playing a very crucial role, then we'll go for a what? The precision. Okay. Now, accuracy for which purpose, guys? When you have the balanced data set. Balanced data set means balanced data set. Balanced data set means which, guys? The concept of balanced data set is like you have a gender. In that gender, there is 50% male and 50% female. Okay, the equal distribution of data, equally distribution of data. That is the balanced data set. Okay, now imbalanced means consider you have 70% what? Male and like 30% what? Of female. So this is the part of the imbalanced data set. When you have an imbalanced data set, then go for a precision recall F1 score. It will be give you better performance. Okay, don't go for a accuracy. Got it, guys? So you have a balanced data set means the equal distribution of data, like 50-50, 60, 40, it is also fine. But one is extremely high and one is extremely low. That is the part of your imbalanced data set. Don't go for that. Now, don't go for accuracy for an imbalanced data set. Okay. Now, you have a F1 score formula. If you guys know about the harmonic mean, in 11, 12, we have studied in physics or mathematics the harmonic mean. The harmonic mean is like that 2 into 2xy by x plus y. 2xy by x plus y. Okay, now the F1 formula, F1 score formula, it came from here. Here the formula is like that 2 into precision into recall by precision plus recall. 2 into precision into recall by precision plus recall. Okay, now guys, when we will apply the F1 score, consider one scenario like one incident happened, like one earthquake incident happened in your area. Okay, consider you went in a Japan. In that Japan, the earthquake incident happened, and you are you are basically from India. So what you want? You want to come back from Japan to India. So what you will do? You will book a flight. When you will book a flight, that time the flight cost will be very high. Okay. Some emergency situation. Consider any kind of emergency situation. In that emergency situation, if you want to book a flight, the flight price will always be high. Okay. So in that way, who will be benefited? The flight company. Who will be not benefited? Us, the customer. Okay. This type of scenario, when the precision also playing a very crucial role and the recall is also playing a very crucial role. Okay, for someone it is like a loss kind of situation, for someone it is like the benefited kind of situation. So this type of situation will go for a F1 score. Okay, and obviously the data will be imbalanced. Okay, so if your balanced data, if you have a balanced data set, then go for accuracy, and if you have an imbalanced data set, then go for precision, recall, F1 score. Precision when it is important, when the false positive is playing a very crucial role. Recall when it is important, when the false negative is playing a very crucial role. When the F1 score is important, when both are important, like precision and recall, then we'll go for a F1 score. I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. Thank you guys.